Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. What can I say? 2020 has most definitely been a year. Won't go into it. Just know I'm healthy, I'm alive, and I'm here. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get down and play with some paint simply because it's been a while. And yeah, I figure, you know what, since I now have all this time in my hands, I might as well get down and get funky, right? Forgive my faces, it's been a while. So obviously we have our safety glasses, and you can see why. I've already gotten paint on them. Wow. Take these off and all of a sudden everything goes gray. Anyways, all right, so there's gonna be a lot of editing. So ladies and gentlemen, let's just jump right into it. So we are going to be using the Artist Loft Ready Mix paints. Why? Because I like the way they dry, and you don't have to worry about the whole mixing and all this other crap, all this other stuff. Sorry. But I am going to be using Artist Loft paints that I have mixed with Floetrol. I have them in these bottles over here. We are going to be using the primary colors, the blue, the red, the yellow. Obviously they got fancy names, but blue, red, and yellow, so it is what it is. So ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to be transferring over to the other little camera. This little camera is going to be on the table, so at times you might be looking up at me. It's going to be weird, but who knows? You might like it, you might not. I don't even know why I said any of this, because most of this probably won't even make it into the video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. So just kind of keep you guys in the visual. Yeah, that's just gonna be weird. First things first, get rid of my gum. Second, we got gloves. We're gonna be extra safe. We're gonna protect our hands from making a mess. And FYI, ladies and gentlemen, if you are curious as to why I am wearing headphones, I figured out how to hook up my headphones to my computer. I got music now. Oh yeah. Sorry. All right, so we are going to start with that little cup right there. We are then going to grab us a little, I guess I should be showing it to this camera, not you guys, a little round piece of Corian. Anyways, so we're just gonna go ahead and lay that right there. So I'm not gonna be putting down any base layer, although I probably should, but I'm not gonna. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour out my paint. So we are going to start with the blue. I guess it's technically phthalo blue, potato blue, whatever blue, but we're gonna start with that. We're gonna add us a nice little dollop of paint right there in the middle. Hopefully you guys can see. Not you guys, you guys over there in the other camera. Let go. There we go. All right, so then obviously we're gonna go with the red next. If we can even open it. There we go. I'm gonna pour just a little bit in the center. Try to get some of that blue to spread a little bit. Obviously that did not work, because now it looks like we got a lot of red. But then following that, we're gonna add some of this blue. I don't know why I'm talking so much, ladies and gentlemen. Just fast forward through all this. Ooh, no. I'll fast forward for you. This is me being stupid. All right, so obviously we lost a lot of our blue. So we're gonna go ahead and just on the outside, pour us a nice little ring of blue. Just so we have blue. All right, anybody from Colorado recognize the colors? No, maybe, kinda. All right, so for this one we're going to be using the black as the swipe color. If I failed to mention, we're doing a swipe. We're just going to go ahead and spread some of this out, and seeing that most of the blue is already on that side, we're going to go ahead and start with our swipe color on this open-ended side, and we're just gonna add a little bit. We don't want to overdo it, because then we'll end up with a lot of how do you say, a lot of the lacing. There we go. Let me go ahead and turn this around a little bit. So I'm just gonna basically do a swipe, then tilt and see what happens. So first we're just gonna swipe to the edges, so that way we don't have to worry about coming back this way. Clean off the blade, the shank. Again, ladies, y'all keep telling me what this is called. Spatula. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're just going to glide as gently as we can. I know this is not a technical, I'm not a teaching, you know, YouTuber or whatever. I'm just gonna tell you what I found that works for me. You don't want to hold it flat, you don't want to hold it on a sharp angle, and yeah, none of this makes sense. You want to hold it in less than a 45-degree angle. I can't show you, so anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe towards the bottom, which is this side, and that's that. Here we go. Or miss half of it, or miss half of it. That sucks. It's alright though. So we're gonna spin it around. We are, see, one of you guys had mentioned in the last video about my hands not being shaky. My hands are shaky as, I don't know what it is, but I cannot keep my hands still for the life of me. In fact, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more black right here. We're gonna go ahead and swipe this way. So we're gonna hold it at an angle gently. See how my hand is shaking? This is not good, but we're gonna do it anyways. Ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. Damn, that sucks, but it's all right though. Why? Because we're just gonna pull some of that black to the edge, and then we're not even gonna mess with it anymore. I mean, we're not gonna swipe anymore. We're just gonna start tilting. We're gonna see if we can't get some of these lines to stretch out a little bit, bringing some of these funky, oh my god. Well, y'all gonna have to wait for the close-up, but I am gonna go ahead and add black to this outside edge, so we have more of a negative space type of pour, just like that. Just gonna just tilt it around to fill in some of those spots. I guess maybe I should do it under the camera. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I honestly, okay, so this is just me. I always say, oh my god, this looks cool. A lot of the times it looks cool because certain parts look cool. I find certain areas of the pour that look really cool, and that's the part I focus on. Overall, typically, no. I'm still learning. Everybody's still learning, because I can guarantee you, even some of these bigger YouTubers that get, you know, a lot of views are like, wow, really? You poured that? Cut all this out, shit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to go ahead and just give this one quick little spin, and we're just gonna leave it alone after that. I'm hoping it doesn't go that way much. I'm hoping it kind of spreads out this way, but I guess we'll see. So hopefully we don't get any paint on you, but let's see what happens. Just my fear. It's going in the direction I did not want it to, but these glasses make things hard to see. Holy crap, that looks cool. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and bring you in for a close-up on this one. Unfortunately, it will not be with this camera. It'll be with the little GoPro, simply because I'm wired in. I'd have to go around all these lights, and it'd just be a hassle. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's just go ahead and let's see what you guys think. All right, so, I need a cameraman. So, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, let's just do it. So hopefully you guys are, I'm like holding it to my eye, kinda, just to kind of make sure that we get this all in one view, in one shot. And I'm pulling back just in case, because these little cameras do the whole fisheye wide lens, fisheye angle thingy, whatever. But we'll go ahead and, just in case it didn't do all that, and just in case we are not in the direct line of light, if that makes sense. I love the way this blue looks against this yellow and red. It's just freaking insane. So yes, it is what it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor, like the video, let me know where you guys are watching from. All you new people, welcome. I'm going to get into You know what, I'm not even gonna say it. Next time you see me, right? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. I will see you when I see you. Thanks. Bye.